This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2016 Bobcat E26 mini excavator. It is similar to Bobcat, Kubota, John Deere, and more. It is $38,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It has an enclosed cab with heat and AC. It has a 6,500 pound operating weight. This Bobcat has a 25 horsepower, 2-speed diesel engine with 2,477 hours. It digs 9 feet 5 inches deep with the long arm. It includes a tooth bucket and has auxiliary hydraulics. The rubber tracks are at 50%. There is normal wear and tear. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com